Hey guys, welcome to another episode of El Jefe's Chop Shop. This week we're replacing the clutch on the Hilux. Alright, so on the weekend I had a bit of fun with the Bobcat, got it bogged immediately and then had to pull it out with the Hilux, which was the last straw for the clutch. So we've got a new one here from NPC, Garage 7 supplied this for me, so I'll show you what's in the kit. So this is the clutch kit we're going to be using today. It's from NPC, so they get clutches from a different manufacturer and beef them all up, make them heaps better. So it comes with the clutch disc, the pressure plate, the thrust bearing and carrier, and the input bearing or pilot bearing, whatever you call it. So NPC clutches, this is the second one I've got and the first one I'm going to install because the other one's for the Stout and that has not seen the road yet. So Garage 7 got this for me overnight, which is pretty incredible given all the things that are going on at the moment. So hit up Garage 7, hit up NPC, let's try and put this in the Hilux. And I really hope it's not a complete pain in the bum. Alright, so job number one, take the gear knob off, take the gear stick out, there's 6 bolts on the top. So normally with a Toyota especially, there's a few bolts on the bottom of the shifter and you can take the whole thing out through the top, which makes getting the gearbox out heaps easier. So in this case, 6 bolts, a couple of screws for the rubber boot, and that's all out. we just got the first of the log manifolds tacked together, so we're still going to smooth off all the ends obviously and drill all the main holes, but it all lines up with the flange and a fair bit of extra here, so we can cut this back later. Alright, so just doing a bit of work on the headers today, and as you saw the other day I welded the second one up. So this morning I welded the second header to the second flange, and Luke die grinded the other side. So that one's pretty much done. We just need to check it, make sure it fits, and make sure it doesn't leak and all that sort of stuff. And then we're just starting to die grind the second one, and then we've still got to cut off and do the 90s. So we're getting there, but it's a miserable day and we've sort of been distracted, so we haven't done a whole lot of work. So I'm just going to get back into this and get these last two ports finished off, and that'll probably be it for today, but we'll try and get the other 90s done probably tomorrow.